The big thing that we do here is that we really work with the athletes to build their body from an athletic standpoint through customized programming for their individual needs. Precision Fitness Performance Center is a high-performance athlete training facility based in Hyde Park. We work with athletes from beginner to advanced all across, from amateur to professional, across many genres of sports. We have kids as young as 8 years old coming in here. Some of our older athletes and our senior athletes who compete on world levels are actually, into their 40s, 50s, 60s, that age group. So athletes of all ages. So the biggest thing we do here is we look at each athlete individually and we try to figure out how we can, cater to their specific needs and demands. We try to kind of figure out where do we need to kind of build their strengths, their power, their stability, their speed. Can they move their body efficiently for their sport? And can we find ways to maximize the efficiency of that? And this evaluation kind of looks at all those different areas and gives us a better indication of where we need to get in terms of the blueprint of their program. When individuals come in, they have the ability to sign up for any of our different training packages that we offer with one of our strength and conditioning coaches. When you're in here, you're specifically working with your coach for that hour or that time that you have booked with them. It's pretty private that way, and I think a lot of our athletes really appreciate that element of it. We want to ensure that you're getting results, and we are consistently delivering proven results to all of our athletes, which is a big indicator of why we've been so successful.